Welcome back, everyone. Oh, that's still loud. Hold on. We're back to demonstrate cam. I don't know the official name of it. Hold on one second. I'll just show the pattern up here. If I can hold it right. Cam, top hat cam number 5. And you want me to get it in? Oh, go ahead. I'm here with my sister Carmen. Cool stitch. Now what did that do?
Made it very, very thin.
Ah, I see. It's thin. Huh.
Long going wide.
Oh, that's pretty cool. What other
I had it
adjustments?
kind of fine. I could go really wide. But then that's not the stitch. The stitch that we're doing, that the cam does, is this one. Okay, I don't know how close you can get to it.
Yeah, it's close enough. Here, I'll get it.
But that is what number 5 does.
You want to go ahead and go right to the next one?
Sure.
We'll just stick it in. Let's go with, we're demonstrating what I have here is, I call them the Overstock cams, and these are all the cam numbers. I have a bunch of. And this one here, let me show it close up. Number 19 we're picking right now. I just want to show the stitch.
Looks kind of like a blind stitch. Oh, I see.
There you go. There's a list somewhere online, so. Number 19, you gotta kind of push it hard when you push that in there.
There.
Yep. So, line stitch. Here we go. No,
it's
not number 19. Whatever that
almost
is.
like a satin stitch, but then.
Okay.
And then you can make it a little more narrow.
No, I know the number 22 requires a special foot. The overcast foot. No, that zigzag is probably what you would use for all the other ones, huh?
This is a zigzag foot I have on, yes.
Alright, so that's number 19. I'll grab the next one while you. It's a little tough, huh? And you pull that one out. And then we're gonna go with, this is number 12. Another Overstock number.
Oh.
I don't know, hold on one second.
Yeah, it does a stitch similar to this built in. But
Yeah,
not,
we were comparing them.
not quite the same.
Right on. There are some built-in stitches on this model.
I'm gonna make it a little wider just for viewing purposes.
I'll get the next number ready.
This makes a nice decorative edge. If you want to get fancy.
That is cool.
Yeah.
What's the back look on that? Are we still on a different color?
Well, because I have a different color in there.
Right on.
It doesn't show up as well. But. Okay, so that was number 22. Was it?
I don't recall. Was that
number 12?
12. Here, this is.
Okay, so that's 20, what 12 does.
21. Did we do 21 yet? I don't think there's any doubles here.
No.
19.
Okay.
That's number 21. You want to do a close-up of it?
We'll show them on the machine.
I'll get the next one ready. So what my Overstock numbers are, my normal price on many of them. For this particular machine, it would be 0 through 22, and then there's a 23 cam that's always good on a certain custom sew machine. So we're gonna demonstrate this one here, number 20 next. I won't show it until we finish this one.
Okay, this is number 21. Can you see it? I like that too. That would make a nice decorative edge on a pillowcase or little girl's dress or whatever.
I do apologize, I don't have a zoom on this lens, it's just a standard.
Okay, next.
We have can number 20.
Okay.
I bet you stand up, you can pull that out better. Muscles. Oh yeah, it's a little tight, isn't it? And a little. Yep.
This is what?
I forgot what I gave you there. For the first day, we tested
Let's see, what's this supposed to be? Okay.
I gave Carmen she's gonna have be able to name the machines that we pull out of the showroom that she's gonna work on. And we pull this one out.
Very small. I'm on fine, no wonder.
We pulled this one out of the showroom yesterday. Oiled it up this morning. Is it making that stitch?
No, I can't get it to do exactly.
Is it pushed in all the way?
Oh, maybe not.
Remember, you gotta push, give it a good pressure.
Looks like it's turning, right? Got it wide enough.
Maybe pop it out and in again. Just thinking.
Can you help? Maybe.
Yep.
Is it all the way in?
Yep. That's in for sure.
Okay, this makes a tiny, tiny little design.
It's working now?
Yeah, there she is. Ooh, that would be on something delicate.
Oh,
you
I
would
see
want to
it.
outline a handkerchief or something really fine.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay.
What number was that? Here, I'll pull it
That
out.
is...
Man, that is stiff. I wonder if there's a way you can get it so it's not so hard to pull in and out. That was number 20.
Okay.
And did we do 11 yet?
Do you have 11?
I have 11 in my hand.
No, we didn't.
So we're gonna do number 11. I don't know how clear that came in.
Okay, this is Fashion Disc number 11. Not doing much. Maybe I need to... I don't know. It's only going straight. Number 11 is faulty. Let's see, what am I doing? Oh, there, it wasn't in right. See, that could be a learning demo.
I know you did that on purpose.
Yeah, this is a learning demo.
Is it working right?
Yeah.
All right. So it wasn't in special, right? How did it get out of special?
It's kind of finicky, Fran.
Finicky for hand. So it's working. I see it's working.
Oh, look how lovely of a stitch. What a difference. Probably that's what was the problem with the last one. I should do the last one again.
All right. Maybe
What
that was the problem.
21.
I'll pull this one out.
Okay.
And you're saying 21?
Yeah.
Where is that one?
We're gonna go back to 21, see if it wasn't engaged
There's 12.
properly.
There's 5.
Here we go, number 21.
There we go.
Okay, makes a difference. Oh, look at there, all of a sudden it works better.
Oh, it does. It's like a little...
Snake.
Oh, right on.
It's different than the previous one. That's nice.
Once
you see
again,
it?
yep.
That's 21.
21. These are Overstock numbers. Normally $4. Here's the list of them.
How much are they today?
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, another one.
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, jeez.
They're half off. Yum, 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 yum. Only $2.
Cool.
I think that-
$2 to make that stitch.
Yeah.
That'd
Yeah.
be a nice edge.
And
I like this one. Gives it a southwestern look.
all right.
Okay, can't wait to test the rest out.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it.